line and
No, it's wholesaling. But I have a friend who has HJB printers, and their top is top.
Maybe old versions. Nowadays.
Yeah,
No.
it was weird. I was
This
like,
right
what?
here.
And I was opening with tech support on the phone, and I was like, that doesn't look right. You know what I mean? I was like, I don't know.
Yeah.
So that's how I first got it.
So you will have out exotic
If
the shaker inside now we made it 220, right?
Okay.
And if some customer they prefer 380, then we have a spare.
Oh, okay.
You
Okay,
can
okay,
convert
okay.
it.
Okay. So that's what I didn't want to touch anything that I didn't know. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I just put together what I did know. So I also assembled it over here. I don't have any of the tanks right here. Right, that one, the tank for the front. It's a big machine. I have an issue right now with one of my printers. The printers are good. I get really good mouse clips. That one. Really good. Everything is really good. Good mouse clips. And I see minor broken lines on H1, but H3 is perfect. So I switched it to H1, H3.
Mike,
You can prepare some plugs here, and then I can remove it, and then
That's why I asked
we got the stuff ready to go. Setting up.
No problem? Yes problem? Yes problem? No problem.
You can check Facebook everything on it.
So now I will try to connect the fingers as well together. Yeah. Okay.
Mike, you need air, and it's a two-person job.
Is it two-person job?
Well, they just did it, two people.
Is it two-person job?
You show Mike how you did it, so he knows how to do it once you leave.
Yeah, I know how to take it apart. Yeah.
Pick it up. And then you get straight down and loading the fuel inside, and then you put it back.
I think the whole.
This right here don't work?
No, it's not connected.
Oh.
Yeah,
Close that door.
And it feels good, too.
So should I put a fitting on this?
Yes, you can connect it with
I don't have one.
fast connector. You don't have?
So you connect this?
You just be sure about the film in the correct position first. You know how to load the film?
Yeah.
Just tie this well. Right? And then this is the difference for the hinge roller.
I remember off of Carl's machine.
Yeah.
Two head.
So we can check one line. One guy in the front side to push the film. Last shift, last up. Until the up. Sai last. Okay, until the in which gear? 拉平。 凝聚重力，你这边不够力，对，拉直了没有 ？And then you can slide just a little bit， 再拉，拉直没有？
So about 3. And make sure it's even. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's even. And then you can push the air inside.
Okay.
You see this punch up.
Put more pressure? I turn the pressure down. Do I push more pressure?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. You don't put more pressure.
That's okay.
It's okay.
You can see this is holding the film. It's touching with the film. The full roll is loaded, so that is okay. And if you want to release, you just press the button
Okay.
to release the air. Right, just like this way. It should be this yellow part to come up to holding the film here.
That's fine. Yeah, that's
Okay.
yeah. Makes sense. Imagine the equipment.
Yeah, imagine if the equipment was out there. Oh my God. Oh, sorry.
So if no suction on both front and back, you just lift the pulling forward.